Hi, my name's Christine, and today I'm doing yet another Imperfect Produce unboxing. I've been a member for several months now, and I absolutely love it. The way it works is you subscribe for regular deliveries, and they send you a box that you can then customize a few days ahead of time. So you can say, I want carrots, or I don't want any beans, based on what other shopping you've done. All the produce is surplus or irregular. Hi, little dog. And they recently started adding non-produce items, such as, I think I got some pasta that was about to expire, but not yet expired, and so I got it at a pretty steep discount. So this time I've got a ton of non-produce items. So let's take a look. The other fun thing is that I never remember exactly what I put in for, so it's always kind of a fun surprise. The first item is a container of blueberries. I'm excited. I'm gonna have those probably snacking while making dinner tonight. Next up, it looks like we've got some bell peppers. Probably imperfect because they're a little undersized, but when you pick the produce items, let's see if I can get them in the shot. There we go. When you pick the produce items, it tells you why they were imperfect, such as, I see some tomatoes, things like undersized or irregular shape, things like that. It is a loose box, shaped like this, so things are kind of shifted around a little bit. So more tomatoes, but I bet I find maybe one more bell pepper in there too. More tomatoes. I was definitely in a tomato mood when I was picking the box this week. All right, it looks like we've got 3 cucumbers, some slight scarring on that one, but that's not gonna affect its taste. And then we've got sweet potatoes. I love this time of year. So we've got some sweet potatoes, some undersized, but pretty much normal looking to me. More sweet potatoes. More sweet potatoes. Okay, it looks like 2 zucchini, oop-a-doop. And, okay, a ton of potatoes. Make some more room over here for all my potatoes. I probably selected 2 or 3 times a serving of potatoes. So sometimes it's by the number, like 3 potatoes. Sometimes it's in pounds. So you always have a pretty good idea of the size of the produce you're getting. Although I'm seeing a slight surprise in the box now. So next up, I got some shallots, which is exciting. I don't cook with shallots very often. And this is a slight surprise. I apparently was really in the mood for garlic. That's a lot of garlic, so I guess I'm going to be cooking some garlicky items this month. Next, we have a bunch of items that are non-produce. The first one is a bag of organic pumpkin seeds in the flavor toasted coconut. I tried some other by this brand, also severely discounted, and they were fantastic, and I demolished them, so I'm trying the last flavor. Then we've got some chocolate. I thought it was just 1 bar of chocolate, but I'm wrong. I apparently got 3 bars of chocolate. I think, again, this was because it was almost expired, but it might have been because of unlisted milk product. Yeah, it looks like this was used before the end of December, so it's a nice dark chocolate. Next up, we have some macaroni noodles. Make some pasta. Oh yeah, I was definitely in a certain mood. I've got garlic, pasta, a bunch of tomatoes, and some tomato paste. I might make pizza though, now that I'm looking around. Bell peppers, that might be, if you see another video of me making pizza. And then, oh, hello dog, I've got a container of gnocchi. Ooh, and some sweet potato strings. Nice big container of gnocchi. So I was definitely in a very Italian mood when I did this box. Overall, it's a fantastic value. The shipping is a flat fee of about $5 to my area, and all the rest of the items, you see the price when you add it or remove it from your cart. Hi dog. so you can make it as expensive or not as you want. I typically do about $20 to $25 worth of produce because that to me is worth it to have that $5 shipping. So I hope this was helpful, and maybe you'll check out some of the non-produce items now that you've seen what they have to offer. Take care.